Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here's your host Alisha Shawat, and today I will show you how to make an amazing designs in Figma step by step. So let's learn how to make UI UX design. Let's start it. First open Figma and create a new file. From the available frames, select one like iPhone 15 or any other you need and lock it. Change its color to black. So in the next step, click to select your text. Make it bold and adjust its size and position at the top corner and set its thickness. So in the next step, create 3 identical lines and fix them in the corner. Arrange their position neatly. Then add a picture and place it in the center after increasing its size slightly. Now select the next text and place it in the middle in front of the picture or object. Click on the O icon to create a circle shape. Choose it from the side panel and change its color to green. Then duplicate this circle using Ctrl plus D. Now go and choose the effect from the side panel and then blur this layer. Now arrange both of these circles in a perfect order. Then group two circles together by pressing Ctrl plus G. Now arrange its size little bit smaller. Then duplicate this group 3 times. Arrange these duplicate in different positions as shown on the screen. So in the next step, add another shape in the lowest corner to create a skip icon with a big arrow. Select anything and slightly increase the overall size. So in this step, take a glass frame and add some text to it, placing it in the middle. And if you want to learn how this frame was made, check the link in the description. Now arrange its size. So guys, this was the final look of our first frame. You can see it very clearly. It looks a little bit blurry, but in the end of the video, you see it looks very amazing. Must watch till the end. After that, duplicate the frame and remove everything from the top of it. After that, you have to import an image which should have the same look as the one we used earlier. After that, you have to add a flow sign and place button on the top of it. After that, insert a flow icon to represent navigator or the movement and then add buttons on top of it. After that, add some information about your image like its name, its price and its size, everything. So in the next step, insert a button for the color section, adjust the selection button and add a frame for add to cart, adjust its size. Also add hot button which represent add your product, add your image in favorites section. Adjust its size. Now align the text with the shape. Now take 3 to 4 related images like its parts or details and add information about them. Adjust their size and arrange them properly on the frame. Now align all the shapes in a proper way. So in the last step, change the stroke color to green and slightly enlarge your picture. Arrange its size. And the last, apply a black and gray gradient to the frame. It gives a light effect. Now that's it and your design is ready. That's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video.